I made tens of thousands of dollars online, but not from my YouTube channel. Let me be brutally honest with you. My average YouTube video makes me like $5. So you may ask, why am I even doing this then? Well, because I want to show you guys what's really possible, and if I did, you can too. Now listen carefully, because here's the truth. I didn't get lucky, I didn't win some random lottery, I just did the right thing at the right time. Let me read that again, because this is the key to everything. I just did the right thing, meaning I had the right skills or the right skill set at the right time, meaning there was a big opportunity to make lots and lots of money. So let's break this down step by step. Step 1, learn a skill. Guys, learning skills is not optional anymore. It's literally survival. The world doesn't pay you for existing, it pays you for what you can do. Most people scroll on their phones the whole day and wonder why they're broke, like maybe this is even you. But meanwhile, the top 1% are learning. They're building skills that actually make money. You don't need a degree, you don't need permission, you just have to pick one skill. This can be copywriting, coding, sales, or 3D modeling in my case. And the list goes literally on and on and on. And then you have to master that skill. And here's the secret. You don't have to be the best, you just have to be better than the person who didn't even try. Step 2 would be to combine skills. Like, here's the thing. Most people learn one thing and then stop. But the real game changer is combining these skills. The more skills you stack, the more valuable you become. Think about it, if you're just a 3D artist, you're replaceable. But if you're a 3D artist who can sell, now you are a business owner. Which brings me to how I did it. Step 3, opportunity and take action. Skills mean nothing if you don't use them. Like, the internet moves fast, trends explode overnight. And if you're not paying attention, you miss out. So I had 2 skills. 3D modeling and selling these 3D models with good presentation. And for years I've literally just made a few $100 a month, which is already quite good. But then the Italian brain rot trend hit. Maybe you have seen these AI characters, they were literally everywhere. Everyone was making memes about it, but literally no one was making 3D models. So the market was empty and I moved. I didn't overthink, I didn't wait for perfect. I just took action, and in weeks I made more money than most people make in a year. Listen, the opportunity is not coming, it's already here. There's a problem, a gap, something you can solve, and you just have to find this opportunity. But here's the hard truth, if you don't take action, someone else will, and they will be the ones cashing out while you're still thinking about it. So learn, stack skills, and when the moment comes, don't hesitate, just take action. Guys, I'm rooting for you, I believe in you, now go and prove yourself right.